Good morning, Chairman Simpson, Ranking Member Penegry, and the members of Subcommittee. Thank you for the opportunity to testify today. My name is Laurel Ann Yellowhorse. I am the Tribal Chairwoman for the federally recognized tribe, the Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah. The Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah consists of 5 bands: the Cedar Band, Shivwits Band, Indian Peaks Band, Kanosh Band, and Kashurn Band. Since time immemorial, the tribe has been located in and around southern Utah. I want to thank you for meeting with us today to discuss the importance of Tawahe. Tawahe is an initiative that started in 2015 with the simple idea, the idea that we need to be bringing our services together more around serving families rather than leaving them in silos serving individuals. The Tawahe initiative is a family-centered whole-of-a-government response to assist families in becoming self-governing and thriving contributors in their communities. That whole-of-a-government response is not only at a federal and state level, but also within our tribal governments. Too often government systems are designed around programs that serve individuals in isolation. Tawahe changes that approach by bringing services together around the strength of family, ensuring that support is coordinated, culturally grounded, and responsive to the real needs of our communities. For the Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah, Tawahe has grown to be more than an initiative. It is a pathway for empowering families to realize their fullest potential while building upon the dignity and inherent strengths of our people. Through Tawahe, we have successfully strengthened coordination across critical areas such as housing, education and workforce development, health and behavioral health services, cultural revitalization, and family support programs, ensuring families receive the support that they need to succeed. The tribe conducted the Willow Basket Survey in 2025, and to highlight a few of the key outcomes from the Tawahe program, I will discuss some of the barriers that our members faced and the successes we have had to overcome through the help of the Tawahe program. Nearly 90% of Paiute families report at least one major health condition. To combat this, we have strengthened our focus on culturally grounded wellness programs, chronic disease prevention, and behavioral health services. These services ensure that our members are receiving the care that they need. Educational attainment has improved dramatically since 1968, which that was the last time an assessment has done on our tribe, with approximately 90% of tribal members completing high school and nearly half obtaining education or credentials beyond high school. Employment opportunities have diversified significantly, with tribal members now working in healthcare, education, business, leadership, and skilled trades. Buildings on findings from Willow Basket Assessment, the tribe and Southern Utah University are now developing community education programming and short-term certification pathways that integrate Paiute culture while preparing tribal members for careers in healthcare, leadership, business, and skilled trade. The tribe is also strengthening cultural revitalization efforts, including language learning, storytelling, and tribal knowledge programs identified by community members as priorities for future generations to ensure that the tribe's cultural tradition and knowledge continue to thrive for generations to come. Tawahe has helped advance a coordinated one-stop model for social services, job placement, youth programming, elder programming, ICWA, and education programs, improving access for families and reducing barriers. The tribe is also developing its first ever tribal court, strengthening tribal sovereignty while creating a family-centered justice system that supports accountability, healing, and family stability. While these examples are significant, they represent something far greater, which is real families whose lives are changing for the positive. They represent parents gaining stability, children staying connected to their culture and community, and families rediscovering hope and confidence in their future. Tawahe underscores the significance of tribal sovereignty and illustrates the positive outcomes that can be achieved when tribal nations are given the authority to develop solutions tailored to their communities. We respectfully urge the subcommittee to increase funding for the Tawahe initiative to achieve parity between newly participating tribes and the original 6 pilot tribes. Additional funding will also promote collaboration among participating tribes, enabling the development of initiative tools and reporting systems that integrate family-centered outcome measurements and support expansion to additional tribes. Tawahe is not simply an investment in an initiative, it is an investment in stronger families, stronger tribal nations, and stronger communities across this country. Thank you for the opportunity to provide testimony today and for your continued commitment to support tribal nations and strengthening Native families.